Halstead Click-Lock Plank Installation. Halstead, change the look and feel of your home with authentic, durable vinyl flooring. Click-Lock plank and tile styles give you creative ability to enhance your home's aesthetics. This flooring also features the latest technology and surface coating, giving you peace of mind that your new floors are protected. In this challenge, you will install a section of life-proof flooring and clean the marker from the planks. Here's how to do it. Pick up the parts, go to the work area, and complete these steps in any order. Start at the end of the competition table with both hands placed on the timer until the light turns green. Start the timer by taking both hands off the timer. Place hammer, tapping block, and rag into the black tote. Click-Lock plank pieces do not need to be moved to the work area using the black tote. Participants can carry them by hand. With all items, move to the right side of the table towards the work area. Complete the game in the following sequence. Connect all Click-Lock plank pieces together manually. Then use the hammer and tapping block to ensure all pieces are locked together. Once all Click-Lock plank pieces are connected, use the cleaning rag to erase all markings on the planks. After all markings have been erased, place the hammer, tapping block, and cleaning rag back into the black tote. With the black tote in hand, return to the starting area beyond the checkered line. Place both hands on the timer to stop the time. Keep the pace up and get recognized as one of the fastest techs in the USA. Show the sponsors your support. Go to hdsupplysolutions.com and search Maintenance Mania to buy Halstead products. Maintenance Mania is brought to you by the National Apartment Association, HD Supply, and these national sponsors.